Okay guys, I want to show you how I was able to create this business flyer on PixelLab. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. Okay, once you open your PixelLab, just delete the default text. Okay, once you delete it, set your size. The image size, I set it 1080 1080. Okay, that's the Instagram size. Okay, once you do that, now I'm going to import our design, the main design, so that we look from there and design our own. We are designing from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to images, the design. Okay, look at it here. Now I've imported it. Okay, turn this background to white. The background should be white. Okay, turn the background to white. Now we are going to add a shape. Go to shapes. Are you seeing where I'm clicking? Shapes. Okay, once you click on the shapes, now select gradient. Gradient. We're looking at two gradient color. This one, okay, this down one should be transparent, and then the up one should be white, and then click OK. Now this background, you have to resize it. This shape, you have to resize it well. Just make sure you resize it very well, and then you can go to texture. Now we're going to add this background. Okay, so this is the background. Okay, now you resize it, click the check mark, resize it very well. Okay, make sure the image sets. Okay, let me hide this design. Okay, so I will bring this one like this, and then go to opacity. I'm going to reduce it to 38. I'll bring it up a little, and then check mark, and then we have to do what? Lock this. Now let's bring back our design so that we'll be looking from there. Bring it to front. Okay, so that we'll be seeing it. Okay, now I'm going to import the name Jason Store. Okay, I'm going to put it at the top here, position it well, put it at the center. Okay, make sure it goes up a little. Okay, now I'm going to add this smartphone icon. Okay, so here's the smartphone graphics. Now I bring this up and hide it. Okay, so I'm going to position it at the center. Okay, resize it very well, position it at the center, and then okay, I can lock it. Go ahead and lock it. So once I lock it, sorry, it's too big. I have to bring it down a little. Okay, resize it very well. Okay, let me check our design. Okay, you see it. Now I'm going to add the text. Need new gadgets. I'm going to add it now. So let me lock this. So I'm going to add need new gadgets. Spacing, I'm going to increase it. Okay, you see these fonts, the way I did it now. I'm going to add a texture on it, not color. I'm going to use a texture, and the texture is from the background we used earlier. So I'm going to use this, and we're going to put an outline stroke, and put it white, put it at 2 or 3, and then white. Okay, now you're going to add gadgets. Now I'm going to reduce this, bring this phone icon down a little, and then add words. Just lock it, and then add the gadgets. I'm going to type gadgets. Now I'm going to add it. The font style is still Monstrat. I'm going to choose this font, Monstrat Extra Bold. So I'm going to put the texture. The texture should be the same background, this same background that we used. Now I'm going to add the stroke, the white stroke. Okay, now I'm going to drag this phone icon down a little using the position to move it down a little. Okay, check mark, and then lock it. Okay, make sure I'm still looking at the main design. I'm still looking at the main design so that I will not make mistakes. Okay, now this Jackson, I'm going to bring it up a little. Okay, now this need new design, need new gadgets. Let me position the text well at the center, relative position center. Okay, then this one's relative position center. I'm going to increase the spacing a little more. Okay, since on the center, let me just lock it. Okay, lock it, and then this one, make sure it's at the center. Once it's at the center, okay, do you see it? Center alignment, and then lock it. Go ahead and lock it. Now I'm going to add this shadow down here, this shadow. Okay, you see the shadow down here. I'm going to add it. So I'm going to use the shape. I'm going to shape. I'll change it to circle. Remove opacity. Go to stroke. Add stroke 100%. Reduce the size, and then go to blur. Blur reduce. Increase it to the highest. Okay. And now drag it like this. Okay. You see it. Now once you drag it like this, I'm going to add a texture. Yes, I added a texture down there. So I'm going to still use this, the background, and then put the size from here. Okay, from here select the size of the texture. Okay, so now I've gotten it, and then I'll bring this smartphone icon to the front. Okay, you see that? So I'll bring it to the front. I can resize it more. Okay, and then lock it. Lock it. Look at it. Now I can reduce the size of this. Okay. Okay, our main design. Let's be checking it. Okay, you see it. Now what else am I going to add? I'm going to add the contact icon and address. Okay, so let's add more of that. We sell. Okay, what they sell? We sell. In caps lock, we sell. Okay, now I'm going to choose the font style. The font style is still Monstrat, so I use Monstrat for all the tests. I'm going to the, what is it called, background. I'm choosing gradient, and I'm using these two color effects. Okay, these two color. This one should be blue. Okay, I'm going to choose the blue from here. Okay, and the top is white. Okay, okay, let me put it white. Sorry, the top should be white. Okay, now the text color should be white. The font color should be white. Set it to white. Okay, you see that? Now I'm going to add iPhones, Techno, Samsung, and the rest. Okay, let me add those things. All right, so make sure you lock everything. Lock that shadow. Make sure you lock everything. Okay, now you are seeing that we're good to go. Now what else? I'm going to add this this icon here. This icon, you see that icon? I'm going to add it. So I'm going to add it from stickers. Okay, from stickers. So this is the one I choose. Okay, I choose it, and then change the color. I change the color to this color, blue color. Okay, and I paste it here. Rotate it like this. Okay, so I'm going to still use the font from here. I'm going to use the fonts from there. I duplicate it. 100% quality product. That's what I wrote there. The alignment is at the center. Okay, so I'm going to do it like this and reduce. Okay, now zoom in to see where you fit the text. Okay, fit the text very well. Okay, so this is how I do it. Okay, now zoom out and make sure you lock everything. Okay, now what else? We are going to add the contact details. Now this is very simple. Just bring the shape, just bring your shape like this and reduce the size. Go to reduce the radius like this. This what is it called, opacity, reduce it. Bring the stroke, put the stroke color should be blue. Okay, now resize it like this. Just make sure you resize it well. After resizing it like this, then you duplicate it. Okay, I duplicate it like this and then put this one, the color should be, put the inner color, the opacity, that's the, sorry, what is it called, the opacity, right? Okay, bring the opacity to the color of the background. Then this one, the stroke color should be, okay, before then just duplicate this one, duplicate it, and then okay, you see there's two outline there. Okay, from the main design you can see it. So I'm going to resize this one, resize it like this. Okay, and resize this one like this. So let me zoom in and see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to, you see what I'm doing, I'm going to resize this one. Okay, and click the check mark and then zoom out. Now I'll zoom out. Okay, this one now I'll lock it and then let me make use of the ones inside. Okay, you see it. Now this one I'm going to put white. The stroke should be white. Let me put the stroke white. Okay, then the color fill, the color fill should be what, this same color. Okay, am I getting it? Okay, send this one to back. Okay, you see it? Yes, I got it. Okay, so this is how I got this. Now you use the position to move it. Okay, you see what I'm doing? Okay, now I zoom in. Let me zoom in. Make sure everything matches together. Make sure everything matches together. Okay, so just check and resize everything. Just check and resize. Okay, and then zoom out. Sorry, zoom out. Okay, once you're done with that, then you start adding your icon. Okay, here's the WhatsApp icon. I'm going to set it white. The color should be white. Okay, bring it down and reduce the size. Okay, then use the position tool to bring it down. Okay, position it well. And now for the text, we are going to still use these fonts. Let's make use of these fonts. Okay, Monstrat. Okay, so this I was able to achieve that design on PixelLab. Okay guys, like this video and subscribe. Like and subscribe to this my channel. Thanks and God bless you. Thanks so much. I hope you like and enjoy this tutorial. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.